What's good, YouTube? It's your boy the King is here today, and we are back with another video, a tutorial on how to multi-live stream on OBS Studio. How to live stream on Kick, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Trovo, whatever the hell you want at the same time. I don't want to waste y'all time. So let's get straight into it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if this worked. Leave any comments if you're confused. Yes, sir. So the first thing y'all want to do is make sure your OBS is updated. Like on my screen. I thought my shit wasn't working at first, but then I realized my OBS isn't updated. So that's why I wasn't working. And then the second thing y'all want, after your OBS is fully up to date, is to download the Multi-RTMP plugin. I'll leave the link in the description. All you do is go to this plugin, scroll down in the GitHub, and then just hit the installer.exe. And as you can see, it'll install. And then you just run through the process and hit next, hit install, restart your OBS, and it should be there. I'll show you where where that is in a second. Sorry for stumbling. So if I come right here, I see 8 of me. Anyways, if you come right here after you installed Multi-RTP and restarted your OBS, you hit docs and you'll see where it says multiple output. That'll be the plugin that you just added. Hit multiple output, and as you can see, there is gonna be the YouTube and Kick is not gonna be there for you. That's just because I added it. So if I delete these, delete, and I hit add new target, and I want to name it, let's say YouTube, and I'll show you how to get to YouTube. So all you need is the stream key and the URL. So I'm assuming if you live stream before, you would know what it is. If you live stream on Twitch or Kick, that's all you need. I'm gonna hit go live on YouTube and wait for it to load. And copy my stream key, copy my stream URL, and copy paste it. So copy my stream key, make sure you guys can't see my stream key, and copy my stream URL. Okay, that's done, and everything's just saved. All you do is hit OK, and that's YouTube. So if I hit multiple output again, YouTube is there. And let's try it on Kick as well. So let's go to kick.com. Let's find your stream key. And you can do the same exact thing on TikTok. There's a stream key on TikTok as well. And stream URL and key. And stream URL. Here you go. Hit add new target. And let's name it Kick. URL. Copy paste that. Stream key right here, stream key, copy paste that, hit OK, and as you can see, YouTube and Kick are both here. Now my main source already is Twitch, so if I go to settings and show you guys, Twitch is already set up. Twitch is my main. I hit looking start streaming right now. I'll show you guys proof. I hit start streaming on Twitch. Let me show you guys my Twitch, twitch.tv. Let's go to my Twitch. Show you guys live right now. As you guys can see, I'm live streaming on Twitch. Now, I start on YouTube. Let it connect, and I'm live on YouTube. Let's go to my YouTube. And go to view my channel. And it says I'm live on Marvel Rivals, even though I just started the stream. Here's my YouTube, here's my Twitch, still live, and start my Kick, and connecting Kick, and Kick is all connected. So let's go to kick.com, search King is here, and refresh, and I'm live with the same exact video. That's all you guys need. Make sure your OBS is updated, make sure you download the plugin, and sync your stream keys. That's all you guys need. It is a 2-minute process. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions in the comments, let me know. Enjoy, guys.